All right, guys, I'm showing you guys the strategy on Boom 1000, how to make use of this strategy on Boom 1000. All right, so this strategy is killing the market. You can see the entry. This would have been an entry if I was on my chart on time, and this too would have been an entry. Would have made so much money. So you can see the accuracy of this strategy, right? You can see the accuracy of this strategy is crazy, right? With this strategy, you can make so much money. You can see that now. You can make so much money with this strategy. So I've really taken my time to run this strategy for a very long time, to tweak the settings and all to get high probability, right, for a very long time. So it works perfectly well. You can see that a massive spike. It works perfectly well. So I advise you guys to take your time, learn the strategy, and make use of it. Right? You can see the entry we made. That was few hours ago, and we are still in good profit, guys. We are still in good profit. And I dropped this analysis on my academy. My academy. I dropped this with my team for them to see on B1000. So we have some trades that are running. We have B1000 that is running right now. We have VIX 50. VIX 50 is running now in good profit, and we also have VIX 75 1S. They are running in good profit. Okay, let me show you. This VIX 75 1S. You can see this was our entry right there, and we have our SL above this level, right? So we are in good profit. Now I'm expecting market to bounce to this point and poof, goes all the way up again. All right, so this analysis, I dropped this analysis that was yesterday, and it's doing fine. Now I'm expecting to buy VIX 75 too, VIX 75, but I need more confirmation. VIX 75 is really tricky. I need more confirmation on VIX 75. Yeah, I want to buy VIX 75. I think it might start buying from that moment, from this point. Then I'm waiting for the 4 hours candlestick to close, and if it closes very well, I'm buying it already. Guys. Look at that. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so B1000. I'm showing you guys how to make use of this strategy on B1000, right? You can see the B1000 that we entered yesterday. We are running good profits, guys. So on the 1 minute time frame, I'm showing you guys this. I'm showing you guys this strategy on how to use it on your MT5 and be making money for yourself. Okay, so now I'll show you guys the settings and everything you need to know about this strategy. Please always watch my video to the end to know the settings, and also there are most of my videos I always drop some bonus or gifts, you may call. So if you don't watch it to the end, sometimes you miss a lot of stuff. Right now there's a pro firm that is currently we are using now, and it's more reliable. I talked in the other video. Hydra funding is the best pro firm for anybody that trades currency. You are trading currency, because you see, if you risk your own money, you trade with so much tension, so much fear, because it's your hard-earned money. But if you use a smaller amount of money to purchase, let's say you purchase like $10,000 account, you'll be able to make more money without fear. You trade it as if you're trading the demo accounts. That's why you see people make more money on the demo accounts than real accounts. So when you're trading on that profit account, you might feel like you're trading on the demo accounts, and you trade without so much fear, and you make your money. All right, so I would advise you guys to purchase an account with them and trade on it and make some money for yourself. And another good thing is that if you purchase an account with them using my promo code, check my description of this video to see that my referral link. Click on it, buy an account, and once you buy an account using my referral link, you come back to me for signals. I'll give you free signals which you will use to grow your account, all right, till you pass your challenge and start withdrawing from there. Okay, so that's the advantage there. That's the advantage of buying with Hydra funding is the best pro firm. And with Hydra funding, because of their leverage limit like control, it's hard for you to violate the account. Very rare for you to violate the account. But if you go to all those ones that give you their margin is really big, trust me, you blow your account, you violate the account easily. So these ones now, they try to control you so as not to blow your account. All right, so guys, encourage everybody, one of you that is watching now, with just $90 something, you can get $10,000 accounts to trade, and I'll assist you with my signals to pass the challenge and make your money, all right, for free. All right, so this strategy you can see here, boom and crash, boom and crash, boom and crash, boom and crash. So you use it for boom and crash, you use for B1000, crash 1000, use for P500 and C500, okay, and use the 1 minute time frame. The zoom level, you can use this zoom level, is fine. All right, awesome. This zoom level is okay. You can use this zoom level for your trading. It's okay. You can still use this other one. All right, so this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So you can use the third zoom level or you use the second zoom level. You still get the same results, right? Yeah. Now what you are doing is you wait for markets to drop. You see these indicators here, all these indicators to drop. Especially, you can't forget about, ignore this red here because it's the MACD signal. This is the MACD signal, so you can ignore this red indicator here. All right, but make sure that you see this green one here down to this point that touches, it must touch this line, this 15 level for boom, the 15 level, the oversold zone. All right, then the black indicator here also gets to the oversold zone. Okay, once it gets to the oversold zone, you're looking for buying opportunity. You open a position right there and it will spike just like this. And you know what I love telling you guys, once you are planning to open with one lot size, please don't open the entire one lot size right there. Okay, you don't have to open the entire lot size right at this point. What you need to do is just open 0.5 or you open 0.3.5. all right, here, then you open another 0.3.5 when it goes down to maybe this point, and you open another one in case it did not spike around this level. That way, when it spikes, the last position you open will always be in profit. It's always be in profit, and when it spikes, it goes up to a level where you realize you make your profit. All right, you recover everything. But if you open all position at once up here, as it's going, it's taking so much money from you, so much money. But if you reduce your risk, you wait for market to go down, unless you're using the least lot size. But if you're not using the least lot size, try to split it into 2 or 3 places. All right, so that's it. That's simple. You can see, let me show you, let me run it down for you guys to see. You can see here market dropped to this point, both RSI and MACD, the green and the black indicator touches this line, and there was a spike. Touched the line and there was a spike. The same thing here, there was a spike, massive spike. The same thing right here, we had a massive spike there. The same thing right here, you see the green and the black indicator touch this line, and even the red indicator touched the line, and there was a massive spike. All right, another one here. So this strategy is over 95% win rates. Okay, if something I've done over time, this is what I've been using to catch spikes because of the settings. All right, because of the settings I use, it will give you so much profit. It will give you so much profit, guys. I'm serious about this. It will give you so much profit. Give you so much profit, guys. So just have to follow up the market. Look at that. You just have to be patient. Yeah, you must be patient. That's one thing some people lack here. You must be patient. You see, like here, market touched this level, you open 0. If we were planning to open one lot size, you open 0.335, and it goes down to this line. You open another 0.35, and it goes below this line. You open another 0.3, and it spikes. It takes the second and the first positions, and you'll be in good profit. That's the idea. All right, that's the idea. There was another one. You can see every time market touches that level, there's always a spike. So guys, this strategy is killing the market. Trust me, it's the best strategy ever. This is the best strategy you should be looking for. Everybody looking for. use this strategy and be making money for yourself, guys. Use this strategy to be making money for yourself, to make so much money for yourself. All right, just wait patiently. A lot of people they don't wait, or they don't watch this video to the end. And secondly, when they are trading, they are not waiting patiently. Once market approaches that line, they start opening position. You must wait for market to touch the line. Yeah, the market must touch the line very well. The market must touch the line. The indicator must touch that line very well, like this one here and this one here. So every time market touches that level, you make money. You make money. All right, you make money. You can see that spikes every time. Massive spike, guys. Massive spike, guys. So yeah, so that's it. Let me show you guys the settings. We have just two indicators here. We have the RSI, which is the first indicator you're adding. Then the second indicator is MACD. So the first indicator here, we have the period 17 applied to typical price rate, follows the indicator properly, the market properly. Then the settings here, the levels here, we have 85, we have 15, we have 95, and we have 5 level. Okay, you can use black color. All right, you click on done, and down here under style, we have black. Here we use black, and third 3 pixel, right? Pixel. You click on done, right? Then you go back again to add the MACD. Very simple strategy. MACD, the fast EMA is 16, slow EMA is 32. MACD SMA is 16, applied to typical price. The levels here, you can see what we have right there, and you click on done, right? You click on done. You click on done. So that's the advantage of this strategy. It is very simple for even a beginner to use and be making good money. So you can see the trade that are running right now. We have VIX 25 that is running. I dropped on my channel, even on the free channel. If you check the free channel, please, everybody should join my free channel. You even see the chart there. B1000 is running good profits, and 751S is running good profits. So I'm waiting to buy VIX 75 very, very soon. VIX 75. I'm just waiting for some confirmation right there. Just waiting for some confirmation right there. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. So please, free signals on the free Telegram channel. Join. What you need to do is share this video with friends. Take it to those currency platform groups. You share it, send it to those currency platform. Then comments, drop some good comments. Meet me. I have something for you. I have something for you. Trust me, I have something for you. And then if you buy an account using my link, referral link, you get free access to my VIP room to get free signals till you pass your challenge and start making money for yourself. All right. So I love you guys. Subscribe to this channel. Let's keep encouraging me for more contents like this. All right. Yeah. So CBE 1000, we're making massive profit, guys. I'm not afraid because I know it's gonna spike. Market has gotten to the upper very strong level. It's gonna spike to this point, so that's my target. That's why I'm not afraid at all. We're gonna make so much money, guys. Trust me. With two lot size, I've seen over $500 each position. All right, so that's how to make money on boom and crash. All right, so price action is very important. Make sure you learn price action is very important. That's the best way to stay consistent in the market. For those that doesn't know, for those that just come into the market, price action is king. So learn price action and start making money for yourself. That'll be all for now. I love you. Bye-bye.